While most UGC creators are pitching into the void and hearing nothing back as of this moment in time, I stopped doing that. I let AI do it and I just close the deals. And I say this because UGC is one of the most accessible streams of income with the lowest barrier to entry as of this exact moment of time. Brands are quite literally saying, no portfolio required, just apply. We need you. Brands need content consistently. And sorry, contrary to popular belief, AI is just not there yet. There are brands testing it, it doesn't convert. People don't want picture perfect crap. The problem is not the opportunity, it's the quality of the opportunity contrary to what your skill set is. Knowing where to look and how to approach. Which is why in this video I'm going to show you exactly how to do that and how to stop stretching your bandwidth thin with AI. And this is not AI slop. We're not using ChatGPT. Throw ChatGPT in the trash. 70% of the world already did. So let's talk about how I actually find brand deals. I'm not guessing by any means. I know what I need. I know what I want. I know the price point I'm working to work for. I know what my time is worth. I know what I'm looking for. And so does my assistant. I'm looking for brands who are already running paid ads or who clearly say in subreddits on X, we need creators, we will pay you this. I'm not pitching to brands that I don't know if they have money or not. That's a waste of time. That's a waste of my time and a waste of their time. If they're spending on ads, they need UGC, user generated content. You already know this. If they're spending money, they have money to give you and they need more. They need more ads. AI scans, filters, and surfaces and comes back to me with all of the deals that it finds that are qualified based on the parameters that I gave it. Just for easy math, my very standard deal when I first started, $1,000 minimum for a video. And I know a lot of people think that's crazy, but me personally, my time is worth minimum $100 an hour. I've been saying this since I was 17, and there are no exceptions to that. I know my worth, I know my quality, I know that I can convert, and you can make money with whatever I make you. Set that standard now. You're the creator. They need you. You don't need these people. There's thousands, hundreds of thousands of brands. You don't need them. They need you. And this system filters out the noise before I engage with a single email or contact. We do not do newsletters. We do not fill out their stupid little forms. We do not join their community hoping that they'll give us a retainer. Find the actual human, the brand manager, marketing director, even the founder. These are real people who would love to work with qualified people that are going to help their business grow. Keep it short and direct, and your first message should be value packed, just like a hook. Let the portfolio do the talking. On my email, the signature has a hyperlink to my portfolio. If they want to check it out, it's blue. They can click it and they can see exactly what I'm capable of. Do not pitch yourself with a rate card. Stop doing that crap. Whoever's telling you to do that, please stop that right now. So what AI actually does in this process, because I told you I use AI for all of this, it does the entire research process. And like I said, we use X, we use Reddit, we use Facebook ads, which 100%, if they're running an ad, hit them up, especially if they align with you and what you do and what you want to do. It finds the brand, it finds the contact, and it validates that it aligns with what you do and what you want to do. We use Reddit for going through different subreddits where these brands are quite literally crying. They're quite literally saying, we need brands, we need content creators, we need UGC creators, we will pay you this, we have retainers available. Same thing on X. And Facebook Ads Manager, Facebook Meta Ads Library, we're just going through that to see who's running ads and what their ad spend is, and we're going to them directly and saying, hey, I see you're running this ad, I want to join in. How can I be of value? When's your next campaign? What are you guys offering? Once you get your foot in the door, that's when negotiation starts. But you need to find brands that are ready to pay. Not brands that you think would be cool to work with and they don't even have a budget. Because believe me, a lot of these brands are running on very, very thin profit margins and they're not going to pay you well. As a kid who worked with over 500 different brands over the span of 6 years within the fitness industry and multiple other industries, cars, gaming, all of that, just please do yourself a favor and don't do that. It drafts the outreach based on their content angle and based on what you're capable of doing. By the way, I'm shooting this video on an iPhone right now. It does an amazing job. You do not need a fancy camera for this. There's an entirely different video about that. And then I review it. I review, is it good or is it bad? It literally writes it based on exactly what we agreed on. Me and this AI, we work together. It's not my servant. We are a team. It knows what I want. It knows the parameters. It has the pillars. It has our standards. It has our protocols. The entire architecture is for us to work as an in-sync team. It does everything for me, comes to me, can I send this over? Awesome. As soon as they reply, hey Jay, they just sent you the contract. Are you ready to sign it? Do you like this? And it even has a very special prompt built into it that says, you need to be very hypercritical of everything that comes through and be very hypercritical of what I suggest. Do not agree with everything that I say. Don't be combative, but don't agree. I want feedback. Is this efficient? Is this proficient? Will this push the needle forward for us and our business? If it doesn't, we're not doing it. And then all I got to do is close. Deliver, document it, and then repurpose the content behind the scenes BTS. A lot of UGC creators record all of their content and their behind the scenes and their thoughts and all that, their journaling, and they put it on X because a lot of brands and big companies and people on LinkedIn and X are looking for you on these professional platforms. And then your Instagram and TikTok is just the portfolio, the professional proof of what you can do. And that content gets you the next deal. Those are just free inbounds. That's why I still do TikTok shop. Not my biggest source of income, but it's fun as hell. I get everything that I want. And we all know if you want to keep your money, don't spend it. Just get the shit. All that to say, AI does every single piece of this architecture from A to Z. And you can fully customize this system to do everything that you don't want to do. There is going to be a link in the description for you that's going to have everything from A to Z, the exact step-by-step, what I do. You can see it. I'm a visual learner. I'm not really a talkie and I'm going to pick it up. I need to see it. So if you want that, check it out. There's going to be a link. It's completely free. I'll send it right over to your email, which Fives will probably do that, so you'll get it almost immediately. You don't have to wait. If you missed the breakdown video of exactly what Fives does for me in real time every single day, check out this video right here. That's for you. I'll see you in the next video. Hope this helps.